Welcome to Genius Inventions. Today, we're showcasing heavy machinery that will surprise you. The Volvo R100E from the renowned Swedish manufacturer Volvo is a powerhouse in the mining and quarrying sector. This rigid dump truck is designed for heavy-duty mining and quarry operations, offering a combination of durability, efficiency, and high payload capacity. It's equipped with advanced features for optimal performance in challenging conditions, including a robust frame, powerful engine, and efficient hauling capabilities. The R100E is known for its reliability and productivity, making it a valuable asset for large-scale construction and mining projects. The Pellenc Soft Touch 2 leaf remover represents a significant advancement in vineyard management. Developed by Pellenc, a company renowned for its innovative agricultural technology, this leaf remover is praised for its precision and efficiency. It delivers results comparable to hand-picking, ensuring clean and uniform leaf removal. This is crucial in vineyards, as it enhances sunlight exposure and air circulation around grape clusters, promoting healthier growth and better quality grapes. The Lima Volvo FH540, equipped with a Fassi F1150, is a powerhouse in heavy transportation and construction sectors. Volvo, known for its durable and reliable vehicles, combined with Fassi's advanced crane technology, makes this truck exceptionally capable for tasks involving heavy lifting and transportation. The Fassi F1150 crane adds versatility and precision, making it a preferred choice for industries requiring efficient material handling. Pellenc's Eol VXL3. Rowe Sprayer is another testament to the company's commitment to agricultural innovation. This sprayer is designed to provide efficient and precise coverage in vineyards. It features advanced technology for controlled spraying, ensuring each row is treated effectively. This reduces the waste of resources and increases the effectiveness of treatments, contributing to healthier vineyards and better yield. As for the Univerco onion digger, it's a specialized tool in agricultural machinery. This digger is designed to efficiently harvest onions, minimizing damage to the crops and enhancing the efficiency of the harvesting process. Its robust design and ease of use make it a valuable asset for farmers focused on onion cultivation, streamlining the harvesting process and ensuring a higher quality of produce. The Pellenc Soft Touch 2 leaf remover represents a significant advancement in vineyard management. Developed by Pellenc, a company renowned for its innovative agricultural technology, this leaf remover is praised for its precision and efficiency. It delivers results comparable to hand-picking, ensuring clean and uniform leaf removal. This is crucial in vineyards, as it enhances sunlight exposure and air circulation around grape clusters, promoting healthier growth and better quality grapes. Komatsu, a Japanese heavy equipment company, has developed the continuous miner, a pinnacle in mining technology. Known for its exceptional productivity and cost efficiency, this machine, particularly the Joy 12CM12 model, is designed for mid to high seam, standard width entry applications. It stands out with its solid head coating head system, ensuring effective and continuous coal or mineral extraction. This miner is a vital tool in the mining industry, significantly enhancing the efficiency of underground mining operations. The Inventions RS600 Performance Car is a leading-edge snow removal equipment engineered by the Norwegian company Inventions. It is renowned for its exceptional performance in airport snow removal. The RS600 is designed to be wider, faster, and better, ensuring quick and efficient clearing of snow from large areas like runways. This machine is crucial for maintaining airport operations during heavy snowfall, providing a safer and more reliable way to keep airports functional in winter conditions. Pellenc, a French company, specializes in creating innovative agricultural machinery, including advanced tools for mechanized harvest. Their products are designed to improve efficiency and productivity in various agricultural sectors. These machines are used to automate and streamline the harvesting process, reducing labor requirements and increasing the speed and quality of the harvest. Special features often include advanced technology integration and environmentally friendly operations, making them a popular choice for modern, sustainable farming practices. The Pottinger 8W, a highly efficient agricultural machine, is crafted by Pottinger, an Austrian company known for its innovative farming solutions. This machine is an essential tool for modern farmers, designed for effective soil cultivation and seedbed preparation. It stands out for its precision in operation and ability to handle varying soil conditions, making it a key player in efficient and sustainable agriculture. The Pottinger 8W is particularly noted for its versatility, adapting to different farming needs and ensuring optimal soil preparation for various crops. The Hydrema 922G dump truck, produced by the Danish company Hydrema, is a robust and versatile machine, ideal for construction and mining industries. This 20-ton articulated dump truck is known for its maximum traction, low ground pressure, and advanced features that aid the driver. It is specially designed to handle challenging terrains while ensuring minimal environmental impact. The 922G's efficient design results in smooth operation, reduced material loss, and excellent off-road capabilities, making it a reliable choice for demanding work environments. Fendt, a German agricultural machinery manufacturer, presents the Fendt 1000 Vario, a high-performance tractor that redefines power and efficiency in the field. This tractor is known for its advanced technology, including a stepless Vario transmission and intelligent management systems. It's designed for heavy-duty tasks and offers exceptional maneuverability and fuel efficiency. The Fendt 1000 Vario excels in tasks like plowing, sowing, and harvesting, providing farmers with a powerful tool to increase productivity and reduce operational costs. The Massey Ferguson MF Ideal is a revolutionary combine harvester from AGCU, a global leader in the design, manufacture, and distribution of agricultural solutions, headquartered in the United States. This machine represents the pinnacle of harvesting technology and efficiency. Its standout features include an advanced threshing system and a spacious, comfortable cab with state-of-the-art controls. The MF Ideal is specially designed to handle a variety of crop types, offering unparalleled performance in terms of grain quality and cleanliness. Its efficient fuel consumption and high-capacity harvesting abilities make it a game-changer for farmers aiming to maximize productivity during the harvest season.